I'm a sailor, and when you get a taste, can you tell me what's my flavor?